Good day, peeps, Megan today. Magdo-drone mapping ulit kami sa bangka-bangka. First, the key sa Victoria, Laguna. Drone mapping with Mali, GIS. This time, wow. So, palipad kami ng drone. This time, we're gonna use the Mavic. Check it out. Doesn't start. Ayaw umi-start. Anyway, so papalipad kasi kami ng drone ngayon. Usually we have the P4 to fly. Pero ayaw umi-start. Bakit ayaw? Finally, napastart ko na. So, yun nga, pa-apply namin yung drone. It's the first time I'm going to use the Mavic for mapping, and let's see how effective it is. And let me see if I can also try my 3D FPV using my DJI Spark. Dala ko siya ngayon together with my virtual goggles. Let's go! Na, si Mavic 2. Para talaga siyang manta ray, ano? Si Mali ang magko-control. Good luck.
Huwag niyo naman akong takutin. Sorry,
Hindi ah.
Yan.
Ilang battery yung Mavic mo?
Dala ko 8 batteries ngayon.
Battery of the Mavic 2. Hindi siya yung zoom.
Okay.
Okay.
Compass normal.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Smooth din siya.
Oo.
Actually, nakakatuwa nga siya. Ang ano ko lang. Nababa siya.
Okay.
Okay. Ano naman? So, hand catch ko na po.
She's gonna do hand catch. May level up na si Mali. Kuha na. Yun na, drone depth. Yun. Smooth. Tahimik pati, no?
4% battery. Okay, tingnan natin kung 30 seconds din siya before reaching.
Taas ang interference kasi pareho kami nawala ng signal.
Kaya lang, mas affected siya.
Oo. Ang bilis sa Phantom 4 pero sa Mavic smooth. Isang beses pala siya nag-disconnect. Ito, malimit mag-disconnect. So hindi ko alam kung sa antena or interference talaga siya.
Sala na yan. Maya-maya, nasa pistang na yan. Nakapunta yung susunod.
Masaya na si Mali sa kanyang Mavic.
Kay
Mukhang
Mavic.
Si
Mukhang
Mavic na
friends
lang
na
ang
po
kanyang
kami.
gagamitin. Inechipera na si Phantom.
Hindi naman.
Yan.
Friends pa rin kami.
Oo. May pinagsamahan pa rin.
No.
Tapos gamitin, iiwan mo.
Ay, yung standard talaga. Gusto ko
Iniwanan
siyang
nyo na.
iyakan kasi sa
Akala.
kanya ako natuto.
So may memories kayo noon.
Yes.
Ngayon may bago na
Sa
siyang
kanya rin tayo
boyfriend.
nag-exam. O, diba?
Oo nga. Oo.
Tapos-
Ano siya? Ang sexy ni Mali. Hey, this is Kamsi right here, our intern, joining me to have a little bit of droning here in the fields of Erie, especially in DSRC, where we will test our drone and teach him some basics of droning. Check it out. So this is the direct seeded rice consortium at Erie that we're working on. Oh, and these are the partners.
Yeah,
With
the
the-
mayor is the one who...
See, here is our intern from Thailand, staying here in Erie with Mati and Sir Mati. PhD on agri-economics, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And they plan to go to Coron. Very nice. I also plan to go to their country. So, well, officially launched in February 2018. That's it. DJI Spark to fly. Hopefully not. There's no problem in this area.
Hold your breath. Make a wish. Count to 3.
Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left and on the lower right. Peace.